quick and easy sandwich, which is with simple ingredients that you have in your home. So starting off with 2 slices of bread and a layer of cheese. If you are a vegan, please omit this cheese and you can replace it with something else of your own. And also we will add sliced cucumbers as your preference, and also some fried onions. Finally, the sweet Thai chili sauce. And here we go. We close it up and we slice the sandwich. You may want to slice them or not, that is your personal choice. And your sandwich is ready. This is the sandwich, a quick and easy sandwich for a Friday abstinence day for Catholics and other Christians. So this would be an easy one. And for those who are from other faith who are observing vegetarian as well, this would be a perfect and easy one. So I hope you liked this video, and please do not forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel. And the more you support me, the more I can provide more videos. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you and welcome again to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and bye bye for now. See you in my next video. Ciao.